in database management system, in this database is very important. When we can do with any doing the works with related in today's world, data is very important, and how to management system is another point. So we have to study about one by one. In introduction of DBMS, purpose of database system, view data, data model, data definition language, data manipulation language, transaction management, storage management, database administrator, database user, overall system structures. So today we have to exact know what is entire syllabus and topic of that. Data management system. Software package system is facility creation, maintain of computer database. How it can define with the data. Data type structures and constant. Constant nothing but a state of rules and structure. How what type of structure we can declare. Data type is nothing but related integer data is there. Float data is already we have seen your C language. So what is the entire number? What is the integer? What is the float? Fraction nothing but a float. A string nothing but your a character that is we write some name. So that thing is a related part of the data type. Construct storing data some storage medium controlled by the DBMS. Manipulate, query, updating, report generation, database, various application. DBMS system, DBMS software together with the data itself, sometime its application also include. First important database is not invented. The database is not given a name. So that time the a tradition process, the work is going on, but they are having the many drawback, many disadvantage as a manual process system. When we can go to the in a market, if we want to purchase a list of the item, whatever needed goods is required. So that time you have to give on a list, and after that sailor people give the what is the atom name, and all things are calculated. So calculation is a process and nothing but your database. And that time they use the calculator and calculate all the relate how much money is for that you can whatever the atom you can purchase, means the your atom name, then what type the quantity, how many quantity you can purchase, and what price is there. On the basis make a list. The same thing is a tradition process. We have to all things are converted in your technology part. We have to use the software through all things are tradition process sent to the your software. We have to use the Excel, we can use Access, many softwares there, so we can maintain your database management system. A manual information system, so records, files, index card, uh, sequential information system, nothing but tape files, slowly interactivity, redundancy. So you have to maintain that seller maintain the one customer, two customers there. So you have to maintain a proper way. How much in day, how many customers are came, and how much money we can take from, and how much profit of that is all things required. You have to maintain proper file. So on the basis we get the exact benefit and how much loss is there. All things that we get on the basis of that. File-based system, disk direct access when with the user technology, so that disk direct access applicable programs has to own files, data independence, data redundancy, nothing but repetition. Suppose you maintain a keep record properly, and sometime data redundancy is there. Data redundancy, some record is repeating, so that time you can keep of that. So that is the data redundancy. DBMS based information system, generalized database manager software, and transaction processing. When we can see that data means database, so it's called as a collection of interrelated data. So is a part of related a small definition of your database. Set a program is access the data. When we can manage something, so that time you can write the code. to access my data. Same like in mobile, you want to find the information, so that time you go to the your gallery and open that. So you have to understand where your images are, where in each folder you can store that. In relative your family's photo, your photo is there. So this thing is nothing but you how you can accessing. So that time what program you can written for to accessing data. DBMS contain information about the particular enterprises. So biggest enterprises database management system is very important. Same like in bank sector. In bank sector, what we can do then? Many people make account in a bank. So is SBI, State Bank of India, Maharashtra Bank, SDFC, Axis Bank is there. So uh, that bank is using the biggest software. Through this, what we can they record all the people of the name of people, those having the card holder, relate his address, then it's related in his account number, whole detail are stored related that person take the loan, all detail information are stored there. Some people are is a 10 lakh rupees in his account and is withdraw. So that's the software that clerk person is open that account, and if you want to withdraw the money is a 1000, so means 1 lakh rupees there, so it deduct from the 10 lakh. Is all things are automatic system. Previous file system nothing but somebody come there, so maintain the record on a file in a piece of paper is maintained there, and a bulk of data, bulk of files are maintained. It is very difficult to maintain all these things. Today you can see in a very smart bank system is everywhere you can see there, through your ATM card, through the means there is no need to you can go visit to your bank. All things are automated system due to the reason of this, all the invention, all things are benefit due to the reason of your database management system. Without that, it's not possible. Tradition process, big, all files, records, you can store that. It is a complicated work. If you want to go into smoothness, so that DBM is very important part of that. DBMS provide environment that both the convenient and efficient to use. Database application, banking, all transaction, airline reservation schedules, universities registration grades, self customer product purchase, manufacturing, production, inventory order, supply chain, human resource, employee records, salary, tax deduction, and database touch all aspects of our life. Means relate what we can say that database application is part of our life. Through this means we can use the banking sector. You get in morning, suppose you want to purchase anything, so that time without money, without ATM card, we could not be do anything. Previous time is what we require that every time cash means cash amount is required, but today is not required that. The technology is increasing as a phone pay, you can use the Google Pay is using there. There's just you can QR code you can open there, on the basis you can do the transit due to the reason of all things are possible due to the reason of it is a database software, database application. If you want to make a reservation in today, so Indian IRCT site is there, make my trips there, many site is there, travel did through this application, through the apps, what we can then just you can sit here and I want to go for the in related Bombay, I want to go to the Delhi, from Aurangabad to Delhi. So that time it is not required to um, go to the your airport. Just open the sites, just open the application app, and just you can go to the given to the source and destination, give your name, and then after they ask you for the what schedule you want there. Just you can select the schedule, in which time, in which day time, and in which date you want to go there. Give all the detailed information of the all the person, then asking for the payment system. Payment system, they asking for the your net banking, your debit cards, credit cards, what you can there. And today is another make a changes there. They're using the your phone pay ID is also this thing is upgraded by the all airlines and all in your bus reservation, railway reservation, all thing is they make changes in that, and just you can provide the information. Means what we can say that within a 1 minute we can purchase your ticket. If you want 5 people, you want to buy the tickets. 5 minutes required for that, and then you can book your ticket. Same like air reservations, railway reservation, and bus reservation. There is not given means you could not be visit that place, and you can wait for the in a queue, and you fill the forms of any railway reservation. Same for the your airline. Means your what we can say that you have to wasting the times, wasting the money for to visit the place, destination, location. You fill the forms. Means you have to wasting what we can see that 2 3 hours you can wasting there. But with help of the this software, with help of the database system is improving. That time application is improved on the basis of your database application. So 5 minutes, and you want to go to the airport, so you have to wasting 3 to 4 hours. You have to through your car, through your bike, you go there. So you have to wasting the time and money also. Means at least you 200 is required for the go to the airport, and that come to the port that return. So is the 4 to 500 is required to just you can buy the ticket, and with help of your application of database. So how much time is required within a 5 minutes? It is money and time is automatically means that thing is where what we can see that very less time is required, and that effort is very less, as means 3 hours wherein at 5 minutes is there. So that is the difference in between. This is a technology improvement. So with help of very easy way we can do that. Previous time the complication is there in traditional process is automatic convert by the due to the reason of your database system. Is all these are the database applications, all are part of the your database application. Same like university. Today is we have to registration through the your online registration your form. You also the give the exams of the online exam due to the reason of database system. When we can you give the exam of the online through the objective, so that time all things are in store in a database, and when we can enter the PRN and password, automatically that your paper is come out in front of you, and you have to give the exam. And after that you get the some marks on the basis of how many click is the right click is there. So this is a part of your database application. In you have to discuss what is the drawback of previous system, that is a file system. So in this what we can in a file system, in earlier system, database application were top the files. Drawback using file system store data redundancy and inconsistency. Uh, Multiple files format, duplication of information of different files. That is data redundancy, inconsistency. Means what we can just example I have to given for that. In suppose in mobile, you want to in mobile, you want to store the some person related in his mobile number. One person you have to store the multiple name, as suppose some name is given for a number I have to store in my mobile. So time I have to give the multiple name and store that. So that time what is the problem of that? So the complication is related part of that. One number is stored the different name. So that time duplication of name is creating. So that time somebody can call the same person. So that time it is not visualizing the your name. So main problem of that, that is a data redundancy. So with help of the mobile, you have to one number you storing the with a different name. So somebody can call, so that time they could not show the exact name of people. So due to the reason of multiple files, duplication of information with the different files, difficult to access the data, needed to write a new program to carry out each new task. When you can properly write there, so it is difficult to accessing the data. So when we can store your record data in a proper format, so it is not difficult to access the your files. Data isolation, multiple files in a format. If you have to store in a many files in a different location, so is a C drive, D drive, you have to make many folders there. Some you want to hidden the information, hidden your images and photos. So that time you have to store same files in many places. So that time it is a data isolation. Integrity problem. Integrity constraint as account balance is greater than zero is become part of your code. Integrity constraint nothing but state of rule. If you want to suppose my in amount 1000 rupees as a balance in my account, and I have to withdraw the 2000 rupees. So that time the constraint is very important part. So that time it is a show that your money is having the balance is 1000 is unable to withdraw the money is a 2000. That is the integrity. Integrity nothing but you have to get a state of rule, that is a constraint. Hard and to add a new constant change the existing ones. So as per the requirement, you make a set of rules. Means you write some constraint. You have to make a change in a rules. That is a constraint. If your new thing is there, upgrading, so make a change is there. As integrity constraint, nothing but same like in WhatsApp. Previous time one people you can directly video call is possible, and a new constraint, new set of rule, at least five member you can call with a video call. Four people you can call on your video call. That is your constraint. As the requirement changes, the rule set of constraint can be changes that. If you add the more than 10 people is difficult to video call. In that time you can Webex software you can use it, then Zoom software is there. Through this, you can multiple people you can interact with. That Duo is another software. Google Meet is there. With help of that, you can connect the many people. 100 people you can directly connect it with the Zoom, Webex software. Many software today is many software is there, so you can directly connect with 1 hours. You can directly interact with that. That is a video conferencing. So there is a limitation is increased as per the your software. That is called as a integrity problem. Integrity problem nothing but is a part of a constraint. In drawback of the file system, atomicity and update. Failure may be leave the database inconsistent state and partially updates and carry out. Failure system nothing but automatically update. When as example, when we can 2000 in my account and withdraw the 100 rupees, so but my balance is suppose 1000, I withdraw the 100 rupees there. So that time my as per the my account 1000 it deduct 100 rupees, so that time 900 is automatically visualized. In file system is a difficult one, so that is a failure. You the database inconsistent with the partially update carrier. Is this in an automatic system? What is all is 900 rupees automatically visualized, but is difficulty in file system. In the previous people are using a file system when we maintain your records. Transfer fund from one account to another should either the complete or not happen to at all. Same thing is there. Just I want to transfer the money from 5000 rupee to my brother's account, my sister's account. So 5000 is automatically transferred to the that your brother's account. So that time deductions from my account and deposited and credited to my brother's and sister's account. So that time smoothly is going, but the file system is not possible. So that is the biggest drawback. Concurrent access by multiple files. Concurrent access in need performance. Concurrent access multiple user, nothing but same thing is my account is there. Mine, my SBI or maybe Maharashtra Bank. So some number is there AC0112, and same thing I have to access concurrently nothing but I using, and today what we can using same one we can you see the your balance in is your phone pay. I have to see in a Google Pay as use net banking, and through this application of your app of the bank, So you can access at this time. You can multiple people can see that, but previous time it is not possible. The same time your data it could not be visualizing. So that is concept of your multiple concurrent access multiple users. Uncontrolled concurrent access can lead inconsistent. Example, two people reading the balance, updating at the same time. So that I have to give an example. Same thing is my account, my parent account is there, and with my app is I using the Google Pay and Phone Pay. I want to visualize how much balance of my father's account. So with help of it's difficult in file system concurrently access the same thing is there. So that is the drawback of the file system. So file system is a previous 10 years back or maybe 15 years back, the people are using all the record maintain a file system. So it is difficult to handle your database. So through this drawback, its new system is come in market that is a database management system. Security problem. If you want to maintain a record and further I save my files with use the security, so difficult that time. So that is biggest drawback of your file processing system. Database system is of course the solution all the, about the problem.